Somewhere between I want it and I got it. Somewhere between I'm sober and I'm lifted. Somewhere between a homie and commitment. But I stay down, boy, I always stay down. Get down, never lay down. Promise to break everybody off before I break down. Everyone just wait.
What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another video.
Cause my heart's still asking, do you?
So you guys, today I'm about to show you a super old school recipe. I'm about to show you how I make my chicken and noodles. Okay, that is like one of hubby's favorite things to eat. Like, out of everything I make, he loves that. Alright, so if you want to see how I put together my chicken and noodles, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I make my chicken and noodles super simple. I don't put a bunch of stuff in it because the people that are going to be eating this, they don't like a bunch of stuff in theirs. But I am going to sneak a green pepper in there. Alright, so first off, I have some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. I have some wide egg noodles, some whole milk, some cream of chicken soup, smoked paprika, sweet smoked paprika. I have this big thing of Kinder's buttery steakhouse. I'm going to use some of that to season the chicken. Of course, I'm going to be using some of my seasoning blend. There's always going to be a link in the description box below. Go get my seasoning, go buy my cookbook, and support your girl, okay? And right here in my well, I just have some coarse ground black pepper and some pink Himalayan salt. Alright? That's all I'm going to be using. Super easy, super simple, but it's going to be real good. It's a classic, y'all. Alright, you guys, so we have our chicken nice and cleaned off. Now we're going to go ahead and season it. I like my chicken and noodles with my chicken whole. I know some people make it totally on the stove and pull the bones, the skin, and shred the chicken. I don't like it like that. So I'm going to show you how I make it the way I like it. Alright? So first I'm going in with some of my seasoning. That pack of chicken, that was 4 bone-in skin on chicken thighs. I know I didn't show y'all before I washed it. So, just so you know. Alright, that's my seasoning. Next, I'm going to go in with some black pepper. Some of this Kinder's buttery steakhouse. And a little sweet smoked paprika. I'll go ahead and toss the chicken and the seasoning. Alright, that looks good. Look at that. Nice, good seasoned chicken. So now we're going to sear off the chicken. My pan's heating up. I'm going in with a little olive oil to help it along. I'm going to heat this up. So now we're going to add our chicken in, skin side up. All this juice that's left in the bowl, don't throw it out. We're going to use that to make the sauce. So, I'm going to go ahead and sear this on both sides, and then we're going to finish it up in the oven, of course. Mine's just not all just on the stove. I just got to do more, okay, honey? Wow, this smells so good. I'm going to go ahead and flip them. Sear the skin side down. That smells good. Alright, so it's been searing for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and add in that sliced green bell pepper. Let it get a little color. Alright. so good. Alright, so this is how it's looking. Go ahead and flip this again. Cook it a little bit more on the meat side. It's like another 5-10 minutes. It smells so good. Alright, so now I'm going to take the chicken out and put it in a baking dish. Here is the chicken. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this fire down. I'm gonna add in this can of the cream of chicken soup. Next, I poured 2 cups of milk in that bowl that I seasoned the chicken in. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of the butter. I'm gonna bring this to a simmer. Make sure you break down that cream of chicken soup. This smells so good. Alright, so this is looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat off, and then we're gonna pour this over the chicken in the baking dish. Alright, so now we're going to carefully put this in the oven and bake it uncovered for, let's say, an hour at 350. Alright, so I just took the chicken out the oven. As you can see, it's super bubbly. Okay. Wow. Alright, so I have some water starting to boil here. This is just plain water. We're going to cook this pasta halfway and finish cooking it in the sauce with the chicken. So that's why I'm not salting the water, because I wanted to absorb some of that sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and add in half. So I'm adding in half of this 1 pound bag of egg noodles. And then we're going to cook this for 4 minutes, okay? Don't fully cook it because you don't want it to turn into mush in the oven. Alright, so just 4 minutes, and then we're going to finish it in the pan. Alright, so it's been 4 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take this off the heat and drain it. I'm going to go ahead and rehydrate the skin of this chicken just so that it doesn't burn when we cook it longer. Yum, this smells so good. I'm going to move the chicken to the side. Add our noodles. Submerge the noodles in the sauce. This is definitely going to thicken up some more. Alright, place the chicken back on top. Scoot the noodles over more to this side. You know, easy peasy. Alright, okay, yum. Now we're gonna put this back in the oven for 15 minutes. Alright, you guys, so I just took the chicken and noodles out the oven. As you can see, the noodles have absorbed most of that sauce. Go ahead and, you know, top it with some parsley just to make it look pretty. Okay, so here's how it's looking. The chicken is not as dark as it looks on camera. I'm not sure. Let me take the light away. See? Now you can see it's not really as dark as it's looking on camera with the light. Yeah, that looks so good. You can see these noodles are nice and... Y'all, look at these noodles. What? Y'all see that? What? This chicken is super tender. Look at that. The chicken just breaks right apart. Yeah. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like my video, comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to do you, boo. Bye, guys. Yeah, look at this. Yum.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming for that #1 spot.